Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. An Abi Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu qala qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam law ya'lamu an-nasu ma fi an-nida'i was-saffi al-awwali thumma lam yajidu إلا أن يستهموا إليه يستهموا ولو يعلمون ما في التهجير لاستبقوا إليه ولو يعلمون ما في العتمة والصبح لأتوهما ولو حبوا. On the authority of Abu Hurairah, may God be pleased with him, he said, the Holy Messenger of Allah, may peace and mercy of Allah be upon him, he said, if the people were knew what is the reward for pronouncing azan and standing in the first row, but they find no way except by draw lots, so they would draw lots. And if the people were knew what is the reward for offering zuhar prayers, so they would race to it. And if the people were knew what is the reward in offering fajar and Isha prayers, so they go to it if they had to craft. Respected viewers, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This hadith reveals great and immense reward for pronouncing azan and standing in the first row, and the reward for offering fajar, zuhar and Isha prayers. It means that there are many people gathered in the mosque for offering prayers, but everyone wants to pronounce azan and to stand in the first row. But this is impossible that all the people can stand in the first row or all the people can pronounce azan. So they decide quick whoever can pronounce azan and who are the people, they should stand in the first row. The people draw lots so that they may choose the particular persons. Respected viewers, Allah Almighty grants immense reward for those who pronounce azan or offer prayers in standing first row. It means Allah Almighty grants him ease in his life and removes his minor sins and other difficulties, and Allah Almighty will cause to them enter paradise at the day of resurrection. Second is that if the people were knew what is the reward for offering zuhar prayers, it means to offer zuhar prayers in its early moments in stated times, so they would race to it. And third is that if the people were knew what is the reward for offering Fajr and Isha prayers, so they go to it if they had to cry. Respected viewers, it seems very awkward that a man is going to mosque for offering prayers, fajar and Isha by crawling, but the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, gave an example that if had been so that a man cannot go to mosque, but he doesn't want to lose his great reward, so he would have been to go to mosque, but by crying, so that he should not lose the reward of these two prayers. Respected viewers, in fact, by offering prayers 5 times daily and by acting upon other Shri orders, Allah Almighty grants mercy on those who do so. And Allah Almighty removes their sins and difficulties, and Allah Almighty will cause them who follow Allah's command into paradise. May Allah Almighty give us tawfiq to do so. Ameen. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh mubin.